Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to prepare tomato jam or tomato halwa. It is a great combination for biryanis. This dish is often served during Muslim marriages and it is a very simple and tasty recipe. Without further delay, let's get started. Let us see the ingredients. We need 6 tomatoes boiled and skins peeled, 1 cup of sliced dates, 1½ cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of ghee, cashew nuts and raisins, 2 cardamoms. Let us see the preparation. Take a pot and add the ghee and fry the cashew nuts and raisins. And I just added cardamom as well here. And once they fried, add the boiled tomatoes and just mash them. If you want to blend it in a blender, you can do that too. I'm just using my spoon and I'm just mashing it. Now as you can see, the water has come out from the tomatoes. At this time, let's add 1½ cups of sugar and mix them well. Stir it continuously. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. As you can see, it is a little watery now. We need to stir continuously until it will become a little thick. So at this time we are adding 1 cup of sliced dates. You can take whichever dates you want. The taste will be same. So stir continuously till it become a little thick. As you can see, after 10 minutes it has become very thick and the consistency we got it already. So let's add few drops of ghee in it. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. If you want more, you can add more. Now our tomato jam is ready to serve. It is a very quick recipe and a tasty one. As I mentioned before, it is a very good combination for biryanis. Please try this at your home and let us know. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Happy cooking.